Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So a colleague of mine was asking me some questions about ranking. Now, if you have list of employees and you have their corresponding sales, you can easily do the rank, which is by rank function. And you first choose the individual and you choose the range, like so. Press F4 to fix it. If you don't choose anything, by default, Excel is going to do a ranking in descending order. So if you write 0 or you don't write 0, it's going to be descending order. Okay, and we do autofill. There you have it. That's the easy peasy bit, all right? His question was, I would actually like to rank employees by the department. What can I do? So here's my solution. And I'm actually going to give you okay, whether you have one condition or you have more than one condition, it actually works. All right, so I'm going to use count ifs, and here how it goes. So I'm going to use count ifs. My first criteria range is going to be all of my departments, like so. Press F4 to fix it, and the first criteria is the first cell right here. Second criteria range is going to be all of my sales. Again, F4 to fix it, and just bear with me for a moment. I'm going to explain it. I'm going to put in quotations greater than or equal to, close quotations, ampersand, and the first guy right here. Close bracket, enter. Okay, so let's dive into it. I'm telling Excel, first of all, look at this range of departments. Okay, in this range, you've got different departments. Look for, in C3, I have department 1. So within this range, wherever you find department 1, then here, go to the corresponding sales, all right? Go to the corresponding sales of department 1. And then look for this guy, he has sales of 5, right? So look for all those sales which are greater than or equal to 5. So I've got 1, 2, 3, which are greater than, so 3, and equal to 5, so this is 4, and it's going to give me rank number 4. Like so. I also have all the individual ranks. And if I just drag it across, so you can notice it has done ranking individually by departments. Easy peasy. And what if you actually want to, so this is by descending order. If you want to be doing ascending, so just change this to less than or equal to this value over here. And it's going to reverse like so. There you have it. So you can easily do this, and I'm going to show you now, even if you would like to be ranking further by different extra criteria, you could still do that. So now I would like to look at the guys within each department and by city. So it's ranking by department and city. So I've got in department 1, I have 2 guys in Dubai and two guys in Sharjah. Here as well, there are 4 people in Ajman in department 3 and 2 in Quain. All right, so again, I'm going to just go ahead, use my count ifs, easy peasy. First criteria range is going to be my departments, F4, and criteria is the first cell. Second range is all the cities over here, F4 to fix it, select the first city, like so. Then the third range are all of my sales, F4 to fix it, and again, we remember the condition. In brackets, we're going to write greater than or equal to, this is for the descending order, ampersand, and the first guy right here. Close brackets, enter. And there we have it. It's done all for ranking. And if you want to check it out, so let's see over here, because in department 3, we had actually 4 guys in Ajman, and you can notice that this guy is 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's done the ranking by 2 conditions. So this is my solution. Let me know in the comments down below if there's any other way that you do the ranking by different conditions. And also, if you would like to ask me any other questions that you would like me to go over, post them down below and I will actually get back to you. So stay tuned. Until next time, much love and God bless. Bye. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, stay tuned. Much love. God bless. Bye.